Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to install Fabric mods for Minecraft 1.21.4 on Mac. It might seem a little daunting at first, but trust me, it's actually quite easy. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step, making it super easy to follow, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll cover downloading Fabric, installing it, finding and installing mods, and even troubleshooting some common issues. So if you're ready to add some awesome new features to your Minecraft experience, let's get started. And before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more Minecraft tutorials and other helpful tips. Okay, first things first, we need to download the Fabric installer. Open your web browser and go to fabricmc.net. This is the official website, so you know you're getting the real deal. On the website, you'll see a big download button. Click it, and you'll be presented with options for both Windows and Mac. Make sure you click the download link for the universal/.jar option. This is the one that will work on your Mac. Now, before we run the installer, we need to make sure you have Java installed. Minecraft runs on Java, but sometimes the version Minecraft uses isn't the same as the one you need for the Fabric installer. The easiest way to make sure you have the right one is to download the latest version of Java from Oracle. Just Google Download Java, and you'll find the official Oracle download page. Follow their instructions to install Java on your Mac. Alright, with Java installed, you can now run the Fabric installer. Find the downloaded JAR file, usually in your Downloads folder, and double-click it. This should open the Fabric installer window. In the Fabric installer, make sure the Minecraft version is set to 1.21.4. If it's not, use the drop-down menu to select it. Also, make sure the Create Profile box is checked. This will create a new profile in the Minecraft launcher specifically for Fabric. Then, just click Install. It should only take a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, you should see a message saying, Successfully installed. Click OK to close the installer. Now, open your Minecraft launcher. You should see a new profile called Fabric Loader 1.21.4 or something similar. If you don't see it, make sure you have latest release or all versions selected in the drop-down menu near the bottom of the launcher. Select the Fabric profile, and then click Play. The first time you launch Minecraft with Fabric, it will take a little longer as it sets everything up. Just be patient. Once Minecraft is open, you'll know Fabric is working because the main menu will have some extra text in the bottom left corner saying Fabric and the version number. Great! Fabric is installed. Now for the fun part, installing mods. First, you need to find the mods folder. The easiest way to find it is to open your Finder, go to Go in the menu bar, and then select Go to Folder. In the box that appears, type in /library, application support /Minecraft, without the quotes, and press Enter. This will take you to the Minecraft directory on your Mac. Inside, you should see a folder called Mods. If you don't see one, simply create a new folder and name it Mods, all lowercase. Now, you need to find some mods to install. A great place to find mods is CurseForge or Modrinth. Just search for Minecraft 1.21.4 Fabric mods on either of those sites.